Good morning, it's me again. So I'm going to do a short video on a tractor and sprayer of Roberts. I'm at Asher's farm with him. Just in case you haven't done already, if you could hit the subscribe button, it'd make life a lot easier for me because I'm looking to buy a drone for my videos. So hit the subscribe button, that'd be great. And we'll get onto his tractor in a minute, okay? Thanks. Oh, we're back. We're with Robert again, and he's going to show me around his Claas Tractor. And here he is. Robert, can you tell us a little bit about the tractor?
It's a Claas 826, about 180 horsepower.
And your fertiliser spinning today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the first bit of the year.
Do you like the Claas tractors?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good, reliable tractor?
About as reliable as everything else, really.
And the backup's good from Oliver's, is it?
Oliver's, yeah.
Do you mind if we have a look aside in the cab?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, let's go and have a look aside in the cab. I'll have you a quick walk round first. Oh, I can see we got a broken seat. I can't sit on there, is it? So what have we got in here then?
Got GPS guidance.
And that's for your spraying your fertiliser.
Your gaps. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Widths, distances. So.
And is it controlled from the arm here?
No, the hopper's controlled from the box, then you program.
Okay, and
how much kilograms a hectare you want on.
Fantastic. And the forward and reverse gears are this lever here, I presume?
Yes.
And you put it in gear from...
Select what box you want.
Yep.
And then you can pick 3-4 gears in each box.
Fantastic. And you like the tractor, obviously, Rob?
Yeah, it's a good mix of... Not too mix of... too much electronics and bit of manual, bit of electronics. We like
manual, don't we?
Yeah.
Can we go up the field, Robert? That'd be good if you don't mind, or you're a bit busy. I don't want to disturb you.
I need to open the shutter manually.
Yeah. Do you mind if I follow you around?
I've got a problem with one of the activators.
Okay. If you don't mind, start it.
I've got to get in quick. It's going to start spraying.
Right. Okay. Here we go. And we're away. That's really nice of you. Let me come with you, Robert.
Alright.
And what's the acreage of this field you're doing there?
About
4 acres. And this is for your beef cattle, obviously.
This will be grazing around here.
Yeah. I wonder if I can get a picture of the till going. Oh, okay. tell me, Robert, is it a passion of yours farming, or do you have to do it for a living?
I think everything starts off as a passion and then becomes a bit of a chore.
Yes. All jobs are like the same, aren't they?
It used to be though, is it?
No, not at all.
Paperwork involved all the time. All this has to be logged down on sheets, what you put where you
Unfortunately, we're all in the same boat there. We all have to lock everything away, and that's why I'm not giving the directions your farm to on the video at all. So, but it's a beautiful February day, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Must be the warmest one of the year.
How long before you stick your cattle out on the field, Robert?
I'd say about 4 weeks.
4 weeks?
Yeah.
That's quite a record this time of year, isn't it?
Needs to be, because we're getting low on silage anyway.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get a bit on, get this growing a bit. And hopefully we can get some cattle out the sheds as quick as possible.
Yeah? Okay. I see you got a bald spot over here. Is that due to the trees?
No, that's where
Oh, okay.
the troughs were there, so
Yeah.
that's it. Right, we're done. So I'm going to have to hop out when we stop and shut that hopper off again.
Well, thanks again, Robert.
Okay, no worries.
You're a very decent chap. And I'll let you carry on there.
The other way, really.
Thanks for your time, Robert. Perhaps I can pop back another time we can do another tractor.
Yeah.
Some of the old girls.
We'll do it when you come, I suppose. But yeah.
That's all right. And don't forget to look on YouTube, will you?
No, will do.
Okay, then cheerio then.
Okay.
Well, that was decent of Robert to let us ride on his tractors. Once again, I'm going to say the magic words of like and subscribe. Subscribe, as I said at the beginning, helps me. So I would like to get a drone and we can follow Robert and people like them around on his tractors with a drone. But thanks again. The subscribe button's over here, I believe. There's be 2 videos above. Thanks ever so much then. See you later.